Okay, now it's working. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I think now things are going right.
everything okay?
Okay. Can you see me? Can you see
Yeah,
my face? Okay.
yes.
So this is my city. It's called Salvador. It's located in northeastern Brazil. It's home for 3.5 million people, and this is a very colorful place where I really love to live in. And oh my gosh, again, this not going to work. I think. Let me try to do this. This is where I work. This is my office, and I'm not going to this place recently as frequently as I would like to because we're having this half lockdown, if I can call it like this, situation where we can't go to work every day and we can't use our time to go to work as we were used to in the past. So this is where I live, Brazil. This is where we are now, and this is half a word from us. This is where you are in South Korea. So I'm really proud to be in here with you today, and I'm going to try to share with you my experience. So every time I start to do a lecture with people from other countries, I always I always try to explain how I do things, but I'm not trying to change your practice. This is not something that I'm trying to do. Actually, what I'm trying to do here is just to show you my way of doing things. And showing this, I hope you can incorporate into your day-to-day practice something of the things I'm going to show you now. And this is how I do. So let's begin with our orthognathic preparation. And this is the first slide. I'm trying to change it.